comprehensive question which will cover all the three concepts which we have studied till now, that is average profit method, super profit method, and capitalization method. So let us start. Let's say there is a partnership firm and the last 5 years profit is being given, and the profits are for the year 2012 it is 80,000 rupees. For the year 2013 it is 1 lakh rupees. For the year 2014 it is 2 lakh rupees. For the year 2015 it is 1,50,000 rupees, and finally 2016 the profit is 2,70,000 rupees. So these are the profits which we have earned, our firm earned in the last 5 years. There is also capital employed given in the question. So capital employed given in the question is rupees 5 lakh. Then there is NRR also given, normal rate of return given in the question 20%. And we have to find the value of goodwill in all three cases. And what are they? They are 3 years purchase of average profit, 3 years purchase of super profit, and capitalization of super profit. So this is the question. So let us take the first case, that is we have to find out the value of goodwill. We have to find out goodwill's value, how much goodwill will come in the first case if it is based on average profit, and number of years purchase is given is 3 years. So let us start solving the question. As you know, first of all what we will do, we will take an average of the last 5 years profit. Then we will get the average profit. On the basis of average profit we will calculate goodwill. So let us first calculate the average profit. So average profit is equals to total of all the 5 years profit divided by number of years. So it will be 80,000 plus 1 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 1,50,000 plus 2,70,000 and divide it by number of years, that is 5. So calculate it quickly and you will get an average profit of, it will come out to 8 lakh divided by 5 and it will give average profit of 1,60,000. So this is the average profit. Now on the basis of this average profit, what is the formula of goodwill? Goodwill as per average profit method is, goodwill is equals to average profit into number of years purchase. Number of years purchase is already given in the question, that is 3 years, and then we have already derived out average profit, that is 1,60,000, and 1,60,000 into number of years purchase is 3. So in the first case our goodwill will come out to rupees 4,80,000. So this is the first case. Let us go to the second case. In the second case they have given number of years purchase will be the same, that is 3 years, but in the second case they have asked you have to calculate goodwill on the basis of super profit method. And let me first write the formula. Goodwill is equals to, as per super profit method, it will be whatever super profit you are earning over your competitors into number of years purchase. This benefit which you are going to derive, how many years you are going to have this benefit, so that's called number of years purchase. So now goodwill, first you will calculate what super profit, and as you know super profit is equals to whatever actual profit you earn in your organization minus normal profit what your competitor earns. If the same capital employ which you have employed in your organization, you have employed 5 lakh, is going to be used by your competitor, then how much they are going to generate. So in our case, in the last case we have already calculated average profit, so we will use that average profit here. And but we required what to calculate normal profit. So how we are going to calculate normal profit? The formula is that whatever capital employed or whatever capital is being invested, on that normal rate of return we will multiply, and we will get the capital employed into NRR upon 100. So in our case, capital employed is 5 lakh rupees into what is the rate of return on which our competitors earns, that is 20%. So it will be 20 by 100, and it will come out to 1 lakh rupees. So your normal profit will be 1 lakh rupees. Now what is the, then you got the normal profit, put it in this formula. Actual profit we have already calculated in the last case, that is 1,60,000 minus the normal profit which you have just calculated, that is 1 lakh. So what is the extra amount you are earning over your competitors? It is 60,000 rupees. So put this 60,000 rupees in this formula to calculate goodwill. So 60,000 is the super profit which you are generating, and you are going to have this luxury of earning this profit for 3 years. So your total goodwill will come out to 1,80,000 rupees, and this is the answer in case of second case. Now we will quickly move to the third part, and what the third part and third requirement of question is. It is saying that you have to calculate goodwill as per capitalization of super profit. Of super profit. So calculation of super profits, it means that we are not going to use number of years purchase in this question. So and how you are going to calculate it? So what you will do, you will simply write the formula, that is goodwill is equals to whatever super profit we are earning, and if we don't know for how many years we are going to earn this super profit, we just reverse the rate of NRR and multiply it with the super profit. That is the shortcut formula of getting the infinite benefit into a limited number of years. So upon NRR. So in our case we have already calculated super profit. What was the super profit? It was 1,60,000, which what we are earning, our competitors were earning 1 lakh. So extra we were earning 60,000 rupees. We will multiply it with 100 upon NRR given in the question is 20%. So 100 upon 20. So in this way you will get an answer of rupees 3 lakh. So finally your goodwill value as per capitalization of super profit so is 3 lakh, and in this way we are going to, we have revised the three concepts also, and we have done one comprehensive question on this. Thank you.